Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're tackling a sentence correction task that deals with the use of the correlative conjunction from to. Let's take a closer look. The sentence reads, in an uncertain economy, the manufacturing sector, which includes everything from automobiles, energy equipment, and medical devices, seems to be making a comeback. Now, there are a couple of grammar issues here we need to address. Firstly, the sentence structure might be a bit convoluted, making it hard to identify the main subject and verb. Secondly, there seems to be a problem with parallelism, especially with the list of items in the manufacturing sector. Let's dive deeper into the sentence. Correlative conjunctions in the English language are fixed phrases that can exist only in this form. It means that as soon as you've spotted a similar construction in a sentence correction task, you must make sure that it is used with the appropriate set of conjunctions. Furthermore, automobiles and energy equipment form a list of items within the manufacturing sector. In English grammar, any enumeration must feature a conjunction before the last listed member, such as and or. Thus, options A, C, and E can be eliminated. Secondly, the verb to seem can either be followed by an infinitive or introduce a relative clause starting with that. The infinitive is used when the infinitival action is performed by the subject of the verb seem, which is the case in our sentence. Both seem and to be making refer to the manufacturing sector. The verb to seem is followed by a relative clause, starting with that, only when a sentence introduces a new subject after this verb, which is not our case. This leaves us with only one answer, choice B. Understanding idiomatic expressions and clarity in sentence structure is crucial for acing these tasks. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more test prep tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.